In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a payment in Zoho Books. It's a straightforward process, but attention to detail is key to ensuring accuracy. Let's dive in. To start off, you'll need to go to the Zoho Books website. Once you're there, log into your account. If you're new to Zoho Books, you'll want to make sure you have your login credentials handy. This step is crucial, as having easy access will streamline the entire process. Next, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From there, take a look at the menu panel located on the left-hand side of your screen. You're going to want to click on the Purchases option. Doing so will bring up a drop-down menu. This drop-down contains numerous options related to your purchasing activities within Zoho Books. From the drop-down menu, select Payments Made. This selection will lead you to a new section where you can see all the payments you've made. It's a helpful overview that lets you track your expenses at a glance, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Now on to the fun part. You'll notice a New button on this page. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll begin the process of recording your payment. Once you click New, a new window will appear on your screen, prompting you to input details about the payment you're recording. In this new window, you'll be asked to select the vendor's name. Choose the vendor you've made the payment to from the list. It's a good idea to ensure that your vendor list is up to date to avoid potential errors. After selecting the vendor, it's time to type in the necessary details about the payment. These details include the payment date, amount, and the payment mode you used. Make sure these entries are accurate to maintain the integrity of your financial records. Double-check the information to avoid any discrepancies. Additionally, when prompted, type in any highlights or notes you'd like to emphasize about this transaction. This step allows you to personalize the entry, which can be helpful for future reference, especially if any queries arise regarding the payment. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary information and confirmed its accuracy, you'll want to click on the Save as Paid button. This action will record the payment in Zoho Books and ensure your financial records are up to date. That's it! You've successfully recorded a payment in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you ensure that your records are precise and comprehensive. Continue using this method for any future payments you need to document, and you'll find that managing your finances becomes significantly easier. Thanks for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping!